What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition. Yeah, I have used Honor Magic4 Pro as my daily drive for almost 1 month, and then after I have moved to another smartphone. Yeah, this smartphone, this one is a bit different. There is no punch hole for selfie camera because selfie camera is actually hidden under the display. Yeah, that's why I like this one, and I'm using this smartphone as my daily drive. Yeah, I will definitely do a review video of this smartphone, but today we are gonna talk about this Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition. As I have almost loved Honor Magic4 Pro, I have very high hopes and very high expectations from this Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition. Well, it's time to put these two smartphones away because I'm gonna use this Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition for a while as my primary drive, and then I can share my honest opinion with you. Let's start from unboxing. But before we start this video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Like and subscription, both the buttons are over there. Smash that like button and hit on the subscription button. Well, let's do the unboxing and check what things we have got inside this Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition box. After opening the box, the first thing you will notice is the gorgeous and beautiful Honor Magic4 Ultimate. Very tempting. Usually I unwrap the phone after checking all the accessories. However, this time let's unwrap the phone first. It's really gorgeous. Let's check what other accessories we have got in this premium package. Honor ships this Ultimate Edition with the same 100-watt charger that comes in the Pro package. There is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and a set of wired earbuds. This is a bit disappointing cause Honor could have easily provided a set of Bluetooth earbuds inside the box. There is a protective case included in the box which offers less protection and hurts more by covering up all the rear panel design. Not a good inclusion. Underneath the protective case, there is a tiny little box which contains warranty papers and a SIM ejector tool. Before we move forward, let's quickly check the specification and price of this Ultimate Edition. It's not even released in the global market, so I believe when Honor will release this in the global market, the price will be a bit higher than what it is now in the Chinese market. Whatever the performance is, Honor Magic4 Ultimate is a gorgeous smartphone. It looks stunning. Even if this design reminds me of a very expensive Huawei smartphone, I really like this design. That huge rear camera block, amazing. Honor has given it a fancy name, Eye of Muse. Certainly, like the name, it looks fancy. The moment you will hold this in your hand, you will have an instant shiver of excitement, joyful feelings about its top-class build quality. The display panel is protected by glass, but the rear panel is ceramic, which actually has added a bit of a weight. Honor Magic4 Ultimate weighs 247 grams, while Honor Magic4 Pro weighs 218 grams. Side by side, Honor Magic4 Pro looks so boring and monotonous beside this Honor Magic4 Ultimate. The rear panel design, rear camera setup, and altogether, it feels like Honor Magic4 Pro is a budget device while Honor Magic4 Ultimate is a premium device. Side by side, both are pretty identical. All the buttons are on the right side. If you check the top, there is no way to differentiate between the Pro and the Ultimate version. It's the same at the bottom part, and if we continue to find similarities, Magic4 Ultimate will become an identical device to Magic4 Pro. The only difference is the rear panel and fancy rear camera setup, which actually looks more like this Huawei Mate 40 RS Porsche edition. If you check the curves and the design language, if you have the opportunity to hold these two phones side by side, then you will notice the similarities in a moment. Honor, being an independent company, should start having a new design for their premium flagships. If you check this Honor Magic4 Ultimate side by side with Huawei Mate 40 RS Porsche edition, then okay, not much of a change in design. One thing that makes me a bit sad is I think Honor didn't try hard to get a partnership with Leica. If they could manage to partner with Leica, that would be amazing. Both the Ultimate and the Pro edition of Honor Magic4 series comes with the same 6.81 inches FHD Plus 1312 by 2848 LTPO OLED panel with 460 pixels per inch density. Both supports HDR10+ and can reproduce 1 billion colors. It has MEMC display chipset. It also has 1920Hz pulse with modulation dimming, which helps a lot to reduce eye strain. There is no difference in display hardware between the Pro and the Ultimate Edition, however, there is a difference in color calibration. Honor Magic 4 Ultimate has a bit pale colors and a bit too sharp calibration, while the Magic 4 Pro display reproduces a much more realistic yet vivid colors. Moreover, the eye comfort or blue light shields works better in Honor Magic 4 Pro. I would go with Honor Magic 4 Pro display panel over Honor Magic 4 Ultimate. Both the Honor Magic 4 Pro and the Honor Magic 4 Ultimate comes with the same dual speakers stereo setup. There is no difference in hardware, but the performance of Honor Magic 4 Pro is better than Honor Magic 4 Ultimate. I really don't know why this Ultimate Edition even exists.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't.
Somewhere on the internet, I have read that this Honor Magic 4 Ultimate is rated as the #1 camera smartphone at this moment. It was really hard for me to believe this, so I wanted to check by myself. They have used Samsung ISOCELL GN2 as the main sensor. There are two OV64B from OmniVision, one for ultra-wide and another for 3.5 times optical zoom, and there is a color filter sensor. They have also added a 8x8 DTOF. In terms of hardware, Honor Magic 4 Ultimate comes with one of the best setup, but how does it perform in real life? I have tried to compare Honor Magic 4 Ultimate with Vivo X80 Pro. Here are some photos, you check by yourself. The original photos are uploaded to our Telegram group. Also, don't forget that I have done a separate camera comparison video between Honor Magic 4 Ultimate, Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you are interested in camera performance, then you should check that video. A lot of people trust and like Antutu benchmark, but I don't. Rather, I prefer 3D Mark, especially the Wildlife Extreme Stress Test of 3D Mark. This offers useful information about both the CPU and GPU performance. Moreover, we can check whether there is any CPU throttling or not. I wish this test will be the standard benchmark in everyone's review or comparison video. I have added Redmi K50 Pro and Realme GT Neo 3 cause I want you to know and understand that a higher price tag doesn't guarantee better performance. Also at the same time, benchmark results may not always show how a smartphone performs in real life. As expected, top or peak score of Honor Magic 4 Pro and Honor Magic 4 Ultimate is way higher than Redmi K50 Pro, but in terms of stability, Redmi K50 Pro and Realme GT Neo 3 is far ahead. Considering the price of Realme GT Neo 3, we can afford to buy 4 Realme GT Neo 3 at the price of 1 Honor Magic 4 Ultimate, but in terms of stability and steady performance, Realme GT Neo 3 is far better than Honor Magic 4 Ultimate. After checking the battery, temperature and performance range, Redmi K50 Pro is a way better choice than both the Honor Magic 4 series smartphones. Realme GT Neo 3 doesn't belong to this segment, but it offers way better value for money. If you are looking for a great gaming device, then Redmi K50 Pro is far better than Honor Magic 4 Ultimate. Well, do these benchmark scores actually mean anything in real life gaming? The truth is, Honor Magic 4 Pro gaming performance is way better than Honor Magic 4 Ultimate. Playing Genshin Impact on this Honor Magic 4 Ultimate is like a torture. After playing this game for 30 minutes, it has started to lag, generated high heat, like I could fry an egg on it. No, I would never buy this smartphone to play games, awful throttling and one of the worst heat management. I'm truly frustrated. Anyway, if you still wanna play Genshin Impact on this Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition, you will get around 29 to 39 frames on Genshin Impact for 20 to 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes it will go down to 18 to 27 frames per second. Honor Magic4 Ultimate runs on Honor's own Android skin Magic UI. You will enjoy Magic UI 6 on top of Android 12 out of the box because Magic UI is actually a very smooth Android skin. Like many other brands, Honor also has a clone phone application, so it is easy to get a flying start by copying all the data from a previously used Honor smartphone. Even if this is a super flagship, the fingerprint sensor of this Honor Magic4 Ultimate is not that good. It is even worse than Honor Magic4 Pro. I am truly speechless. Oh yeah, like Magic4 Pro, there is a much safer face unlock option available in Magic4 Ultimate. I'm really sorry to see that Honor didn't even try to improvise. The same old story, 50-watt wireless charging, and it is not even available until you enable that fast mode, which is hidden somewhere in the battery settings. All these are almost acceptable, but what I really hate is I have managed to squeeze only 5 hours and 50 minutes of screen on time. I'm a bit surprised cause Magic4 Pro goes beyond 7 hours. After disabling many options and decreasing the frame rate, I have managed to get 6 hours and 20 minutes of screen on time. Still, I'm a bit sad and confused. Okay, it's time for verdict, but before I say anything, please don't forget to watch the camera comparison video between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV and Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition. Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition is definitely overrated and overpriced. There is no way I'm gonna recommend this smartphone to my subscribers and regular viewers. If you have money that's burning your pocket, then go ahead, waste your money. But truly, it's impossible for me to recommend that smartphone. I have almost loved Honor Magic4 Pro and I am still using a very old Honor smartphone, but Honor Magic4 Ultimate Edition, that's really a very overrated and overpriced smartphone. That's my verdict. I would like to know what you think about this smartphone. Please make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. I always provide honest content, so please support honest content and share the love.